If you are searching for the Vivo Y11 5G UFS ISP Pinout without CPU drill, you are at the right place. The Vivo Y11 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 platform with UFS storage, and accessing the ISP points without drilling the CPU makes the repair process much safer and cleaner. In this post, we have shared the working ISP pinout points tested on the Vivo Y11 5G motherboard. What is ISP pinout? ISP, in-system programming, allows you to access the UFS memory chip directly while it is still soldered on the PCB. Instead of desoldering the chip, you simply connect jumper wires to the correct test points on the board. This method is used to bypass FRP, flash firmware, repair deadboot, or remove user locks. The without CPU drill method means the UFS ISP test points are accessible on the PCB surface without drilling through or removing the CPU/AP chip, reducing the risk of permanent board damage. Vivo Y11 5G UFS ISP Pinout without CPU drill. The UFS ISP test points on the Vivo Y11 5G are located on the PCB near the UFS chip. You do not need to drill or remove the CPU. Simply locate the points under the metal shield and solder fine jumper wires. Below is the UFS ISP pinout layout. ISP pinout points, from the image above. TXOP, transmit data positive, near the left cluster. TXON, transmit data negative, single pad on the right. RXON, receive data negative, below TXON. RXOP, receive data positive, below RXON. GND, ground, connect to any ground point on the PCB. These points are located on the PCB near the board edge. No CPU drilling is required. Simply remove the shield and you can access the UFS ISP points directly. Tools required. UFI box /EasyJTag Plus /Medusa Pro. 0.1 mm, 0.3 mm jumper wires. Fine tip soldering iron, temperature controlled. Soldering flux and leaded solder. Isopropyl alcohol, IPA 99%, for cleaning. Multimeter for continuity testing. Microscope or 10x magnifying lens. How to connect Vivo Y11 5G UFS ISP, step by step. Remove the battery. Disconnect the battery flex to prevent voltage conflicts and short circuits. Remove the metal shield. Use a hot air station to remove the shield covering the UFS chip area so the test points are visible. Clean the PCB. Use IPA and a brush to clean the area around the test points. Identify the test points. Refer to the ISP pinout image above. Look for the UFS points. They are usually labeled as RST, TXOP, TXON, RXOP, RXON, and GND. Solder jumper wires. Use a fine tip iron. Apply flux, then solder one end of each wire to the respective test point. Keep wires short to avoid interference. Verify with multimeter. Check continuity between each point and ground to confirm there are no shorts. Connect to UFI/EasyJTag. Connect the other ends of the wires to your ISP tool according to its pinout mapping. Identify UFS. Open the UFI or EasyJTag software and click Identify UFS or read UFS info. If you see the chip information, the connection is correct. Perform the operation. Now you can erase FRP, flash firmware, dump UFS, or reset the device as needed. Common issues and solutions. Tool not detecting UFS. Double-check the TXOP/TXON and RXOP/RXON connections. They are often swapped. Try swapping the TX and RX pairs. Short circuit detected. Clean the solder area properly. Use a multimeter to check for solder bridges between adjacent points. Drill required? No. The Vivo Y11 5G ISP points are accessible without CPU drill. If you cannot find the points, check under the shield near the UFS chip. Wrong UFS detection. Use UFI version 1.8.0.5 or higher for best compatibility with Dimensity 6300 UFS chips. Final thoughts. The Vivo Y11 5G UFS ISP pinout without CPU drill makes this device much easier to work with for FRP bypass, firmware flashing, and deadboot repair. The points are accessible and well placed on the PCB. Just work carefully under a microscope, confirm each point with a multimeter, and you will get a successful connection every time. Frequently asked questions. Does Vivo Y11 5G need CPU drill for ISP? No. The UFS ISP test points on Vivo Y11 5G are accessible without drilling the CPU. You just need to remove the metal shield near the UFS chip. What tool is best for Vivo Y11 5G ISP? UFI Box and EasyJTag Plus are both compatible with Dimensity 6300 UFS ISP. Use UFI version 1.8.0.5 or later for best results. Can I bypass FRP using ISP Pinout? Yes. Once connected via ISP, use UFI or EasyJTag to navigate to User Partition, Special Task. Reset FRP to remove FRP lock. What is the chipset of Vivo Y11 5G? The Vivo Y11 5G uses a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm processor with UFS storage.